All right, so we are going up the mountain to our upper cabin up here, and the big news today is that we found a company to take down the tree. There's a big old tree hanging over the cabin, and we've been calling a lot of places, and a lot of places didn't want to come over our bridge or couldn't do it. We finally found a company that's insured, and they're up there now working on it. So this is exciting. I can hear them already. I'll show you, this is our well house, bathhouse, showers, also needs to be fixed. Come on, here we go. It's the edge of our property. And up we go. Ooh, I think it's coming. Here we go. I think it's down. Girls, you're gonna stay right behind me, okay? I'm just gonna video it. You're okay. You're okay. We're gonna stand right here. You're okay, baby.
Oh, which tree is it, Mama?
It's the one that was over the cabin there.
Which one?
Well, I think they've already maybe cut it down, which is good news. This is a big tree leaning right over the cabin, and that was going to be a problem. So we're really glad it's being taken care of.
Is it that tree? Oh, that tree.
Yeah. Is it down? Not yet.
Yep, Mr. Kyle's up there. Where?
All right, well, it's not down yet.
See that big tree?
We'll pause
right
this.
Over it?
Whoa, you got the notch. Is it solid?
It is, but there ain't much integrity to it.
How big across do you think that is?
Probably 30. Probably 31, 32.
It's a mammer jammer.
But you still gotta leave enough for because if you don't, you'll pinch your salt. Will.
It's going. Thank you, Jesus! Woohoo! Boy, that monster come down. Hey, if anybody needs somebody to cut the trees down, it's Lawns to Limbs, guys. Just so you know. Based out of Hayesville, North Carolina. These are the ones right here. Look, I'm gonna give you their phone number right on the side of their truck. Right there, I highly recommend them. That tree was no joke. Yeah! Nice! Neighbor, he's being real kind. He don't mind it fell over on his property a little bit, but we had to get this tree down. Look at that, that tree stopped being rotten right there. But it was enough to kill it, so that's all good lumber, man. If we had a wood mill in there, that happened fast.
Push this one up.
Do you have a splitting stump? You want a splitting stump? I'm gonna ask them if they'll cut me 3 nice splitting stumps and I'll give you one.
My son-in-law's got a log splitter. So all I gotta do is bring the log splitter over from
Hey, could you cut us like 3 nice splitting stumps? Something to split wood on?
Yeah, I'll cut you. It's fine. We'll cut you whatever you need.
I appreciate you. Thank you so much. They're just trying to get their ropes back now.
I don't think he did too much damage. I think there was one tree over there.
That one poplar, huh?
Yeah, you can see where it pulled the root out.
Oh, dang.
Yeah.
Are we in danger of that hitting something, or is that all right?
It'll probably fall down one day by itself. Let's put it up right here.
Yeah.